Concrete pouring has never been easier with the game-changing concrete pouring bucket. Watch this video to find out more about our new S60 and S70 concrete pouring buckets. So what are the benefits of the concrete pouring bucket? Concrete pouring buckets are brilliant for smaller sites where you may not be able to reverse the concrete truck up to your plot where you need to pour your concrete, or if the soil stability is questionable. These can also be used for other pourable materials that require accuracy, such as pea shingle or gravel that you might need to pour accurately into the bottom of a trench. With the concrete pouring bucket, you have the one-off cost of the attachment for the lifetime use, whereas comparing it to a concrete pump, this is a continual hire which can get very expensive. Concrete pumps are also usually on a longer lead time, which can cause issues if your project runs ahead or behind schedule. So having a concrete pouring bucket to hand means that you can pour whenever it's needed. So what are the benefits of using your concrete pouring bucket on your tilt rotate hitch? We've taken all the key features from our standard concrete pouring bucket and added the extra benefit of the S60 and S70 pickup. The versatility of the tilt rotate means that you can move or rotate your bucket to virtually any position to pour at any angle. So reaching plots in tight locations has never been easier. So now we go on to the size, weight and capacity of these concrete pouring buckets. The Rhinox concrete pouring bucket is now available in the S60 and S70 dedicated pickup to suit your tilt rotate hitches, such as Engcon, Steelwrist and Rototilt. The S60 concrete pouring bucket to suit your 12 to 15 ton excavator has a capacity of 750 litres or 0.75 metres cubed, with the attachment weighing in at 344.7 kilograms. The S70 concrete pouring bucket to suit your 20 to 25 ton excavator also has a capacity of 750 litres or 0.75 metres cubed. This attachment weighs in at 383.7 kilograms. All information about your attachment's weight and capacity can be found on the data plate found between the hangers of your attachment. We would always advise operators' discretion and to work within the specific capabilities of your machine. So what are the key features of these concrete pouring buckets? Firstly, we have the rounded chute. This increases your accuracy while pouring, meaning that you can pour narrow foundations or around pipes that are already in the ground. This accuracy ultimately helps you reduce waste from spillage or overfilling your foundations. Secondly, we have the adjustable gate. The Rhinox concrete pouring bucket comes as standard with an adjustable gate, meaning that you have maximum control over the flow rate of your material. This can also be completely removed should you require the maximum flow. Thirdly, we have the Rhinox bucket hooks, which are incredibly useful for transporting this attachment around site with your ditching bucket. This reduces the amount of trips you need to do across site when carrying your buckets, and also avoiding the uneven stacking of buckets inside your ditching bucket. Finally, as with all products from Rhinox, this comes with our lifetime guarantee on all the welds and the machine fitment guarantee. Want to know more about the war between the concrete pouring bucket and concrete pump? Be sure to check out the video here, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on another video. Other pourable materials into any angle. For other pourable materials. Why do I keep saying that?